We will join. We will just join. Just hold.
Please give a round of applause.
Here, but they might not be able to come. They are not here physically, but I do believe that they are spiritually here. Their minds are with us here. Therefore, I welcome them also virtually. And my beloved brothers and sisters, all the participants from Nepal, from India, and from different parts of India and also abroad, I welcome you all. Now, in India, there is a movement launched by our Prime Minister of India, Fit India movement. And also, yoga is being now promoted to keep the citizens across the world fit, physically fit. And also, this is just one of the smallest maybe attempts to organize this kind of sports. And here in Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, the organizers, they have taken lot of troubles to have organized this, and they have tried to organize this function successfully. So I thank them, and also I wish them all the best from my on behalf of myself and also from TTADC administration. These events will be organized today and also tomorrow. The main events, the main sports, the main games would be conducted tomorrow, and I wish you all the best. And among the competitors, there may be some winners, there may be some losers, but I would request all the participants to take it sportingly, and this is part of our life. So, for your stay, for your transportation, for your fooding, etc., etc., it might not be up to your expectation. आप लोग जैसे खाना चाहते हैं, आप लोग जैसे रहना चाहते हैं, ये ऐसे आप लोग फैसिलिटीज नहीं भी मिल सकते हैं. जैसे फूड हैबिट डिफरेंट हो सकता है, इसीलिए आप लोग को मैं विनीत अनुरोध करेंगे कि आप लोग यू टॉलरेट विद द फूड हैबिट्स एंड द फैसिलिटीज दैट you are being provided. This is the headquarters of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. This is not as developed as any other parts of the state like Agartala and all, but still the organizers, they have tried to give you to facilitate you your stay, your foodings, your transportation to the level of best. And if there is any lackings, if there is any shortages, you please bear with us. And I do believe that you will have these sweet memories, sweet experience, and you will carry the sweet memories of khumulwngo, of Tripura. Many of you might have come to our state, to our country for the first time, especially from Nepal participants. So I request you to bear with the situation. Whatever it is, take it positively and carry the sweet memories with us. Personally, I do feel that Nepal country is one of the best neighboring countries. India as a whole, we have good relation with the country Nepal. Personally, I like Nepalis. I have many Nepalese friends also. And I have requested Premnath Shrestha ji that I would be visiting Kathmandu. मैं काठमांडू में आना चाहता हूँ, तब श्रेष्ठ जी का मैं गेस्ट होके आऊँगा, तब फिर आप लोग का साथ मुलाकात होंगे वहाँ काठमांडू में। और जितना सारा पार्टिसिपेंट्स फ्रॉम त्रिपुरा, फ्रॉम आसाम, फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल, আপনারা যারা ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল থেকে আসছেন, আপনাদেরকে আন্তরিকভাবে আমি আপনাদেরকে এখানে স্বাগতম করছি। আপনারা এখানে ভালো থাকবেন। এখানে যে ব্যবস্থাপনা এটা খুব সুন্দর, খুব ভালো নাও হতে পারে, তবু আপনারা সেটাকে মেনে নেবেন। যাই করা হয়েছে এটা আমরা আন্তরিকতার সঙ্গে আপনাদের জন্য আমরা অ্যারেঞ্জ করেছি, তার জন্য আপনারা সেটাকে ভালো চোখে এটাকে মেনে নেবেন। যদি কোনো শর্টেজ থাকে অর্গানাইজারদের সঙ্গে কথা বলবেন আপনারা, যাতে কোনো অসুবিধা না হয়। আমরা আপ্রাণ চেষ্টা করব আপনাদেরকে ভালো রাখার জন্য, ভালো খাবার দেওয়ার জন্য। অ্যান্ড যারা अरण्य त्रिपुरानी जरा पार्टिसिपेंट्स दंनायराव अरण्य जरा नेपाल नि फाइनेराव, जरा वेस्ट बेंगल नि फाइनेराव, जरा अरण्य आसाम नि फाइनेराव बरफ बायनिराव गाहाम खायै व्यवहार खायदी बरनो गाहाम खाय लाम सकदी बरफ बाय गाहाम खाय तंलायदी बरफ बाय तावालाय लैदी थंलाय थाका हाय बायनाय दंनाय चेमनाय दंनाय आबनो हार जीत you have to accept हार जीत sportingly, happily. So I wish you all the very best. Happy stay in Khumulwng, happy stay at Agartala. Be happy, take everything sportingly. Once again, I thank the organizers to have invited me in this occasion, and I am very happy to be part of this occasion. So long live this karate organization. Once again I thank you all for coming and being part of this events. Thank you very much.